Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We're going to do a quick intro. This video is all about Kiko Milano Cosmetics. I'm doing swatches on about 8 to 10 different lipstick shades. So please stay tuned. I want to introduce this beautiful Italian product to you. It is an amazing line of cosmetics. So we're going to dive right in. Here we go. As you know, I may have said it in some of my previous videos, we had an opportunity to go to Milan. I was so fascinated by actually spending some time in Rome, and I also went to Turin, Italy. I love Italy. It's one of my favorite countries. But during my time there, I was fortunate enough to be able to go to the Dome area, which is the most rich, famous area for all the designer wares in Milan. So, as you know, I am on a budget, honey, so I was not able to afford all the designer wares, but I was able to get some beautiful cosmetics, and I picked up Kiko, K-I-K-O, Milano. It's cosmetics by Italians. It's a wonderful, high-class, high-level Italian brand at an affordable price. So I'm going to be doing some swatches today. First and foremost, I'm going to start out with this 2-in-1 lip spa by Absolute New York. It's a lip balm and also a lip scrub duo. So cute. I saw this, I believe I got it in Ulta Beauty. It's a little tricky getting open, but let me get it open. This is phenomenal. So I'm going to be using this as I swatch on my lips, each lipstick. So this is the Sugar Scrub. Phenomenal. I've used it, obviously. So I just take a little Q-tip, moisturize my lips, get them ready for the scrub. Because unfortunately, sometimes lipstick can be harsh on your lips, especially the long stay ones. Okay. Now, I'm going to use the balm, which is the top of the container, which is so cute and adorable. So you want to make sure you definitely moisturize your lips. And I definitely try and scrub every day, whether it's the Absolute, the Jeffree Star, my homemade brand, whatever. Okay, so I'm starting out with, this is a beautiful, beautiful packaging, just elegant as ever. This is 06 Ocean Feel. I'm going to try and read off all the names, but for sure I'll read off the numbers. Isn't this the most elegant little container for lipstick? Beautiful. Lots of product. So what I'm going to do, I am not going to line my lips as usual. I have almost a natural darkness around my lips, so it's perfect. So I want to be able to give the shade a full overview. On my lips. Depending on the shade, I like to go in twice, but this is very thick and rich. It does not need a second application. This is gorgeous. It's so rich and creamy. This is 06 Ocean Feel. Like I said, a phenomenal package. Great. So let me do this. Get ready to remove it. And on to the next one. Okay. They have just the most beautiful packagings. So now I'm going to go in with this lovely one. Oh, hello. This is a perfect purse size. It's beautiful. This is number 501. And it's just gorgeous. Oh my God. Jello. Jello. Okay. Very smooth. It's almost like just a lip gloss. There is some color to it though. A nice peachy look, and it does have glitter in it. Oh, it's beautiful. When you don't really want a full lip of lipstick, this is ideal. These are very reasonably priced. I think the lipsticks are between $6 and $12. Just phenomenal. There's no flavor, no taste, but it's great. Okay, so now I took off the 501. I'm going in with, this is 133. Okay, oh, it's beautiful. A deep, rich brown. And once again, I'm not putting on liners because my lips are kind of born that way, but I just want to give the full effect of the lipstick. It's such a rich formula. Now this is definitely a deep, deep, rich brown. It would probably be too dark for me. I'm not really into dark shades, but I would definitely use this for a 3D effect with a lighter nude in the center. Oh, it's gorgeous. Like I said, a little bit too dark for me, but I could work it at night. I'm just going to show you a little trick that I do. Now this is a totally different product, but a little trick that I do when I have a lipstick that's a little bit too dark and I want to kind of give it a 3D effect, an ombre look. I take a concealer, which is in a neutral nude color. Put it in the center, and it ever so lightly gives it a nice light hint in the center. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, so now we're going in with 201 by Kiko, K-I-K-O. And once again, I found this brand while I was in Milan, how apropos, and I was hooked. And now I see the store everywhere. Figures. Okay, this is a beautiful coral. And once again, goes on so smooth and beautiful, where I still see the color of my lips underneath, which I like. So this is very light, but adds just enough color for a spring day if you wanted to go out and didn't really want to put on too much lipstick. This is perfect. Once again, this is 201. So the next one we're doing is 207. Ooh, what a rich, rich red. Full of moisture. What a creamy consistency. This is beautiful. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Oh, very nice. And I love it even though I don't have a lot of liner on. It's not bleeding into my lips or the line of my lips, which are great. I'm sorry. It's not bleeding onto my teeth nor the lining of my lips. I love it. Okay. And for the final swatch and review of this lipstick, oh my goodness. It is beautiful lipstick, I must say. So let me get this one. This is 205. Oh, love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to put this last one on the way I would normally do my lips. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star lip pencil in a brown. And I would normally line my lips first. Okay, line my lips. Then I put on, don't do that. Okay, so I'm going in with the 205. Lovely, lovely. Very nice. Oh, it's gorgeous. Beautiful. Wow, this is probably my favorite. And then I would normally go in just with a tad bit of a concealer for the inner lips. And of course, you guys know I love this 3D look. Okay, so this is the final look. I love these lipsticks. I am in lipstick heaven. Hello, I have a plethora of them. I am hooked, shooked, and slayed. I love this lipstick and I love the brand. Thank you so much, Italians, for keeping it real. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the JB, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you know every time I upload a new video. Please, please let me know if you've ever tried the Kiko, K-I-K-O Milano brand of lipsticks, blush, eyeshadow. I'm doing a whole review on a full face of their products. So please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.